Hey yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy, Bobby Sneaker World, and I am back with another video. Y'all not gonna believe what I stole off eBay for $90. Alright, like I said in the beginning of the video, I stole these sneakers, man. At least I got them for a steal price. Now, these sneakers originally released in 1992. They re-released in 2006. Then they retroed again in 2011. And I believe they're supposed to come out again in 2019 in a different variation of the same sneaker. Now, to kill all the suspense, let's get straight into it. This is on some people's grail list. Bam! The 2006 release Jordan 7 Cardinal. Now, I don't know if the light is going to wash this all white out, but obviously these are not DS. They're 9.8 out of 10 though for 2006 release. These sneakers are over 13 years old, and look at the condition. No discoloration, no repainting, minimal creasing on the toe box. Got like a light bump on the toe box. Look at both sneakers. Minimal bump right here. Still got all your tumbled leather and all of the good parts, and your smooth leather and the rest. Now, there's only a few slight differences in the the original 92 pair and the 2011 pair. I believe were more similar. Now, in this pair, the 2006 pair, on the heel, the 7 on the heel tab was reversed. So the 7 was the more Bordeaux color, the cardinal red, and the surrounding part was black. The 23 was still white, I believe. You got your golden harvest heel tab in the back. Same. Look at the bottoms. This sneaker is 13 years old. No wear, no dirt, nothing like this. This came from a person that really cared about their sneakers. Oh, and there's another slight difference. On the 2011 pair, I believe the inglets were silver and not gold, which I obviously like the gold better because it matches the rest of the sneaker. This looks discolored, but anybody that knows the Cardinal 7s, this is like a pearl. It's made to look like this. This is white, and this is supposed to be like a pearlized tongue, like a pearlized white. And then on top of it, the sneaker is really old. You got your Huarache sock liner, so it's like a combination. And on the insole, it's like a Bordeaux red. They call it cardinal red, but it's like a Bordeaux, like a burgundy-ish color. And like I said in the beginning, I got these for $90. The only reason the guy is getting rid of his collection, he did not want to sell me these sneakers for $90. Well, he was selling them cheap anyway. He was selling them for like $115 or $125. But he does not have, the OG box was in such bad condition, he didn't want to send it. But he did include the original retro card, Retro 7 Jordan card with the sneakers, but he sent them in a replacement box, which that's okay, man. I'm gonna switch these insoles out. It still has the full Jumpman, not even worn off on the inside. Crazy, man. This sneaker is in like an over 9 condition out of 10 for it to be 13 years old, man. And for me to get it for $90. In 2006, I believe the retail price on these was $135. $135. Just let that sink into the prices we pay now. $135 on these, And I believe when they retroed again in 2011, I believe it bumped up $15 to $150. Now, there's supposed to be a Cardinal 7 releasing sometime in the next few months. Rumored was this like got 3M on it or something like that. And I can only imagine they probably going to be 200, 225 or something like that. So prices just keep going up with Jordan Brand. We know that already. But I just wanted to show y'all the steal. My first eBay steal in a while, man. I don't even know the last time I bought a Jordan from eBay. You gotta be careful. Just be smart when you're shopping on eBay. Make sure the person that you're buying stuff from is reputable. They don't have 0, 1, 2, or 3 positive feedbacks. Check their negative feedback. See if they sold fakes before. People have never gotten their stuff before. All of that different stuff. You just gotta make sure you're being smart. Sometimes that's still not enough, but you have to do at least a little stuff to make sure you're being smart and you don't get scammed. And you'll come away with steals sometimes. Sometimes you'll get people that are just getting rid, they need the money, they're getting rid of their collection. He had other stuff too that I would have bought, but they were 11 and a half bigger sizes. These are my size 11. So I had to pull the trigger on it, man. And we negotiated on price. I got him down to $90 because he didn't have the box. And I couldn't be happier with my purchase. So y'all let me know in the description down below, do you think I won for $90 on these sneakers, or do you think that, you know, I could have done better? You know, I think I won. So I'm not gonna hold y'all too much longer, man. I appreciate every single one of y'all that is subscribed to my channel. Like I told y'all before, I promised that once I got to 1,200 subscribers, I was going to be giving away a Supreme box logo sticker, and that is still true. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna say it in this video, but I'll start a video talking about it in the future. If you're interested in the box logo sticker, comment down below. Just say Supreme box logo. Comment Supreme box logo down below. I'll know that you're interested, and then we'll start a little giveaway and something about how to give it away. But only if you're interested in the sticker. You know what I'm saying? Just a little token from me to you guys for watching. Supreme box logo sticker free. I ship it, you know, no problem, straight to you. Alright, so I'm gonna get out of y'all's way. I appreciate y'all watching another one of my videos. Looking at my eBay steals. Steals and deals, 90 bucks out the door. OV!